Hey guys, I'm going to share a piece of Norton Commando clutch experience because I think someone might find it useful. Norton Commandos are famous for nasty clutch operation, and I'll show you what can be the reasons. First thing is the stuck height, and it's thickness of all those friction plates plus metal plates and a pressure plate plus the diaphragm spring. You can see if you put it together with the flat spring, you do it with the tool. You need to have the tool for compressing the spring to make it flat to be able to put it together. So if it's flat and you put all those things together, the play between them and the circlip that holds it all together should be just perceptible. If the play is too big, then you will have a hard clutch operation, most probably. If the play is too small, that means you will have problem putting it together. So if it's hard to put it together and install the circlip, then the play is too small, and that was going to mean a slippery clutch, which you also don't want. Second thing is the clutch actuator operating arm, which is this lever inside. Now it's in a different position than normally because it's unplugged. So that the lever should have angled 90 degrees with the clutch inlet, the cable inlet, to reach the maximum force applied on the spring when you press the lever. So that's another thing, and you need to conform this with the screw. So you should set the right play and the position where it engages against the spring. And then there's a cable which needs to be correctly installed on the bike not to have any sharp bend. All needs to be pretty smooth, and then it's going to be, most probably it's going to be fine. What I did, because those are the original Norton plates, the friction plates, and if they're worn, and not really badly worn, but if they're thinner, you can compensate by adding one more metal plate right behind the pressure plate. That makes the stuck height a little bit thicker. But if it's too much, there are special plates available that are thinner. Another thing is, because these original plates have different annulus than the replacement full fiber plates I have. There are many other plates on the market, but these are good because the splines are thick, because all made of fiber, and it's thicker, so they don't wear that quickly. Actually, even if it's not metal, it's quite good. Some aftermarket plates are made of aluminum, which is not good because this wears even quicker. But you can have performance plates which are good. But anyway, if it's metal, it's tinier and it's prone to rattle on the central hub. So I decided to remain with those, but I made a modification. You can see it here. I grind off part of the surface to make the annulus closer to the original, or the same as the original, because the force applied on this surface needs to be on the largest possible diameter to get higher torque. So this was the reason why I decided for this modification.